Alright, I guess I better make a quick video on this. So today I'm looking and guys, I'm looking for a 4K web camera. 2 days in a row I found a 4K dash cam. This one's actually pretty nice. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and I don't know what this 4K AI thing is, but we looked them up. It's a Mio 5 Beta Vision Technology Hong Kong Limited. It feels really solid. I'm not going to pull it out of here. I'll make another video when I get home. But it doesn't use a suction cup either. It uses a 3M adhesive, which I'm not a fan of, especially in the Arizona heat. And the thing is going to fall out of my windshield. Current dash cam I'm using is one of these. You can see it right here. It's a mirror, and then when I plug it in, let me get my thing here. And I think this has actually been killing my battery. It'll come on, and you have, it's really hard to see it. So you look really careful. You can see it's a mirror with a display behind it. I would venture to guess that this has bad battery. Anyway, there's a camera on the front side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, right there. So this just kind of straps here. I thought that was kind of neat because you don't need to hook it to anything, and it just acts as a mirror. And there's some menu buttons here, but it didn't make it big enough for most mirrors, so my truck is the only one that it kind of works on. But this one here is pretty cool. Let me pull it out of here really fast. Come on, come on. They made a really nice box. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Hold on. So it feels pretty heavy. There's like metal around the front of it. So I think it's using some type of sensor that's common to other cameras. There's no SD card in it. But it's got like this clip here. They need to make like a universal thing, but there's a few other items in the bottom. And it looks like everything is there. There's a cigarette lighter plug. Or no, is this just a USB cord? This is just a really long USB cord. That's cool. And then they give you an adapter with a USB. They give you a plastic tool. I don't know if that's just for trying to put on. But so this is how they want you to mount the damn thing. And I've run into a few of these. So the 3M stuff is cool, but man, you know, it's not going to stay. There's some other things in here. I don't know what these are. You get a cloth. They didn't. I don't see that they supplied an SD card. I don't know what's in here. These are weird. Okay, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, that these are supposed to stick to the car. I don't know. This is weird. I'm sure there's instructions, but I think that they want you to do something with this and stick this onto something. I'm gonna try to use it as a dash cam, or not dash cam, a webcam first, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back in here, and we're gonna power it up. I don't know if it works because I didn't have a way to test it in the store. It to me looks like it's probably, maybe they tried it out. It doesn't want to go back in. Card. It says, "Hi, Mio 5 is here for you. I here for you." looks okay. What's the date on it? 5/26/24. That's a month behind. Today's not the 26th. I wonder if it just is the date that it was made, maybe? It's hard to say. Anyway, you got that. And we got, there's 16 gigabytes of RAM in here, DDR3. We got some regular Nintendo games that are all $329. So Silent Service, Duck Hunt, and Super Mario Brothers. That's the only one I wanted. And that. And we have an NES, and I don't have any games for it, so we don't know if it works anymore.
Mio 5 continue to serve.
So we got a DS charger for $449. It doesn't say Nintendo on it here, but it does say it on the plug, so that's cool. And then we got some Amazon cables. They say they're Cat 6, so we'll see. I need to run a cable between my other computer and the router, and I don't have anything pre-made, so this is cool. It'll save me some time. So that is the thrift store report. Now remember, Google is hiding my channel and suppressing my channel for whatever reason. So the best way you can help me and tell YouTube to screw off is to like this video, share it, and also make sure, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my video, and that way you will see when I post new content, and you will see when I do new thrift store stuff. Thanks for watching.